Question 2 in our according. Question 11 in October, November 20, variant 1, paper 2. An easy question. بيقول لحضرتك ان ده diagram shows a rectangle with a line of symmetry x equal to two vertices of the rectangle are -1, 1, -1, 4. The shaded region defined by the inequalities. Find the values of A, B, C, and D. Of course, we know that the value of y will not change here. The value of y 1, then the value of y here is 1. The value of y here is 4, so the value of y here is 4 because they are on the same horizontal line. Now we need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we can see that x equal to is the line of symmetry. The distance between the line of symmetry and the point -1 is 3 units. So we have to move 3 units to the right. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now the second point, 3 units to the left means 3 units to the right. 3 units to the right, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then the value of A, x between A and B, x between A and B, x between -1 and 5, and y between 1 and 4.